So check this out. This right here is the Tessen extender adapter. You have three outlets, as you can see, one, two, and this one on the front. You also have two USB-A's and two USB-C's, which is pretty cool. And I can go ahead and take this on the go if I'm going to a hotel where I'm gonna be needing to charge a lot of devices. I'm charging two batteries, my phone, and I still have an extra USB-A. This thing can output up to 30 watts. And I mean, I can go ahead and connect here to charge my laptop, maybe a hair dryer without any issues. And if I need more outlets, we have this one right at the front. Now this is completely blocking the two outlets that are behind here, but I can easily move it up so I can go ahead and have access to the other one. But I just like how it looks better right here. This thing is super cool. And I can go ahead and throw it on my travel bag because it's so tiny. So something very cool that you can go ahead and take on the go for your travel, for your essentials. Definitely check it out.